Hi guys, we're back before we have to change location and just show you something to do with the buttons and how the buttons are working on the radio. And I've sold on a couple of forums, so I'll say the same here now. Please read the manual, because if you don't read the manual you will for sure have issues, I think, because there's a lot of press and hold to gain other functions, shall we say. Same with the indicator. If you just touch it, oops, this one's set to show voltage 13.7 DC, but you can change it. On the microphone, which is the standard President, you know the score, you know the mic, up and down, etc. You watch the channel change, you go down through the channels like so. Channel 1 you get to, and it goes to channel 40, so it goes up as in high band to the top end of high. However, if you use the channel change, set channel change, we'll do the same trick. So when you go down to channel 1, it goes to channel 40 and allows you then to go down into the mids, etc. And then if you go up, you go through the mid band and you go down channel 1, channel 40. Whereas if you go with the channel change, it takes you up a band in the VFO mode. I like that. Plus you have the, when you go through, you have the A channels. They're all there, ready and waiting for you. If you push the, let's turn this down, sorry. Yeah, if you turn, if you push in the channel change button, if you push it, and you watch where it says 27535, you go down, you see the band changes as well, and you see 30, 25. So I like that as an idea. You press it again, takes you 26, 27, 28, 29, like that. And if you set it here, for example, to 610 and press it, so you go to the underline of the 1, you go through everywhere, as you would guess, with 0 ending. So cool, traces back to the old Lincoln. Menu, this is where it gets really awkward. You see of the blue, as we mentioned before. And then you have the brightness. What the up and down does on the mic, it does channel or frequency. So you can choose what you would like. What does that say? DLJ maybe. I'm not really sure. Dum-de-dum-de-dum. No, I'm not really sure. I have to look into what that says. I got the manual open here as well, but I need to look at it. Don't know. We'll look at that, as I say. Reset. Beep frequency. So like on the DX5000s and ilk, you can choose the frequency, the delay, how short it peeps, call tones, monitor level, so you hear your own audio through the speaker. Let's just see. No, because I didn't select it properly, I think. Maybe, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there we go. It wasn't selected properly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So there's your audio monitor. And you can check that obviously with the echo and such. Timeout timer, which you can change. You know what that does, obviously. TSR, and I think that's the SWR. Yeah, that's a W. Look, S W. Sorry, got changes lens too quick. SWR high indicator. Battery, I think that is, not sure, I have to look it up. DC high if the voltage goes high. DC low. Scan type, squelch. And one I'm not sure, have to read again, and back to the colours. So as I say, you really do need to read the manual on this. Don't buy it, shove it in a car and call 19 for a Roger with an echo and all the bleeps on. Take some time to look at it, see what it can do. It's a complex piece of kit, really. It's you need to get to know it. Because it works in VFO mode and channel mode, very similar timing. So VFO mode takes you from the bottom to the top, and the channels you have to change the bands the same as the original Lincoln. Audio only had one report so far, and the audio, the guy gave the audio a very good report on the standard mic. We'll try and get some more done later in the week or during the weekend. As before, it's smaller than the G2, as you see, lurking below, and it's nice. Not what I expected, I'll tell you, I'm honest, it's not what I expected, it's not what I thought it was going to be. So that's a fact, it really isn't what I thought it would be like. And we'll say more about it a little bit later when we have some more time and a little bit more voice to be able to do it. But it's really, as a first impression, out of the box and like sniffing around, pretty good. There's a lot of old style Lincoln in it, i.e. around how the frequencies do with the push button, and that sort of situation is a throwback to the old Lincoln. Roger Bleep, I like that idea. The echo, yeah, I don't know, if you're marking it as an amateur radio, then I don't really know why you need to have an echo or a channel 919. I mean, on an amateur radio it's a bit, I don't really think it's a right thing. But audio quality, great. Build, great. So far, no issues, no loose knobs, as it were. And we have to get in now and have a look at the CTCSS and DCS works and try that with the mobile alongside the Thomas. Band button, yeah, it's cool, does what it says on the tin. As you see, it goes through the 10 meters. So no complaints. Pluses are the VFO mode, awesome idea, works really well. And yeah, really, we'll be back with it when we have a little bit more time and a little bit more voice. If you want to know anything, drop me a message. Already getting an incredible amount of messages now, so bear with me, I will answer it, but it may take me a little bit of time, and we'll catch you later on. Bye bye for now.